All right, so these are the most common things that you need to avoid whenever you become an affiliate for the TikTok Shop affiliate program. Let's go ahead and dive right in. I'm not going to spend too much time talking about this. I just want to get straight to the point to help you guys avoid making any sort of mistakes that could possibly get you banned or get you violations that could lead to you getting banned and TikTok holding on to your money. One of the first things and most important things out of all of this is if you don't have 5,000 followers and you want to do the workaround method, you need to try this at your own risk. I've noticed more recently than not, they have been cracking down on that and really banning those seller accounts immediately upon signing up because they're, too spammy, or they're just not giving the affiliate account that's connected to the seller account views whenever they're linking their products. So I haven't figured out a way around that yet. I haven't really figured out what makes that happen, though we have had quite a few people within our community have those issues and run into those mistakes. So do be aware that the workaround method to start this with 0 followers does have some risks behind it in terms of not actually being able to move forward with an affiliate account. There's no risk in terms of losing money or anything like that because all making the accounts and creating them is all free. There's just risks in terms of them not actually working. One of the most important things and ways to avoid catching a violation on TikTok is making sure that you have the product in hand. Whatever it is that you're promoting needs to physically be in your hand. No screenshots, no screen recordings, no green screen, none of that. That is the fastest way to catch a violation and get your selling privileges revoked or your affiliate privileges revoked. Make sure that whatever the heck it is you are selling, it is in your hand. Do not make a video without the product. I cannot stress that enough. Don't go live without the product. Don't make a video without the product. Don't even talk about the product without the product. Okay? Make sure you have the product in hand. If you can't wait for it, go to the Walmart and buy whatever it is that you're trying to sell at the store. If you can't wait for TikTok to ship it to you, buy it off of Amazon. If you're that impatient, you just gotta wait. Seriously, that is like the number one thing I can tell you when making any of these videos is make sure that the product is physically in your hand. Okay, so if you don't have 5,000 followers and you're looking for a quick way to get to 5,000 followers, here's some of the things that you need to avoid in doing so. Don't buy followers. Do not buy followers. Seriously, TikTok knows when the followers aren't real. They know when they're bot and spam accounts, and you will not get accepted into the program, and you might even ruin your chances of getting accepted in the future if you actually get to 5,000 followers organically. The next thing behind that is do not pay for promote to get followers from TikTok. The only reason I say that is once you start spending money on TikTok for their promote service, they start ruining your organic reach. You no longer get the same reach that you used to in the past in terms of posting videos and several other things as well. And the reason for that is, and this is why I believe it, is once you start spending money with TikTok, TikTok knows you have money to spend. They will stop organically giving you views, followers, and all kinds of stuff once you start spending money on their platform because now they want you to spend more money. So they'll start sending you promote coupons. They'll start sending you discounts for promote to kind of use that service again. Don't fall into their trap, guys. Do not use promote to buy followers through TikTok. Here's one of the biggest things to avoid when making your videos after you've become a TikTok Shop affiliate. And that is reposting your own content, reposting somebody else's content, and just reposting videos in general. If you make a mistake and you forget to add the link or you forget to add certain hashtags, don't delete your video and repost it. You will get a violation just like that. TikTok has a very strict guidelines and strict terms of service when it comes to unoriginal content on their shop links. They don't want anything that's been re-uploaded. They don't want anything that's been recycled. They don't want anything that has already been posted to their platform inside of a shoppable video. I don't know why. I think it's kind of dumb in a lot of ways, but reposting videos will get you banned, or will get you a violation really fast. And in my case, I utilized a clip from another one of my videos off of another profile, and I got hit for unoriginal content, and they gave me a 24-point violation and tried to ban my entire account. However, I was able to appeal that and get it overturned because I had the proof that A, I owned the clip, B, I owned the other account as well, and see that none of it was unoriginal. I was just taking a little clip out of there that demonstrated what the product did and adding it to my other video. So I got that overturned, but they did it just like that. I think the video was up for maybe 5 minutes before they hit me with that violation and completely suspended my account. So just be careful. Do not repost your own clips, and do not repost other people's clips when it comes to utilizing the shop affiliate links. Do not delete videos. If you post a video that you forget to add the link in, or you mess up on the caption, do not delete it. Leave it there. The second you start deleting videos, TikTok gets a little fishy about that and they think you're being suspicious. I don't know why. They consider it suspicious activity. Don't delete your videos. Leave them there. If you mess up and you forget to add a link, you can private the video and it'll just go off of your profile. If you add the link but you forget to add your hashtags, you can only mark the video to friends only. You can go ahead and do that. It won't affect you. It'll just take it off your profile and hide it from people who are just viewing your stuff. If you post a video and it flops, leave it alone. Don't delete that video. You never know when TikTok will boost that up. I've had several videos that I posted over a month ago that now are getting views like crazy. One of them's at 200,000 views, up from 8,000 just 3 days ago. And the other one spiked to 500,000 views in one day. You never know when they're going to catch traction, or if TikTok is like, oh, hey, this was a good video. Let's go ahead and move it to the algorithm. And then they throw it to the masses. You have no idea when that's going to happen. So never, ever, 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 ever delete a video that flopped. Leave it there. This kind of goes back to not reposting things, but don't steal other people's content, guys. If you see a shop video that looks really, really good and you want to mimic it yourself, go ahead. But don't steal their video or their script word for word. TikTok knows, and they will hit you with an unoriginal content violation, either resulting in 1 to 6 points, sometimes even higher than that. So just be very, very careful and make sure everything that you post is original and your own content. Authenticity is everything in sales. If you're not authentic and people don't like you, they're not going to buy from you. You know, you can't buy a personality. You have to create one. And in order for you to succeed in this, you have to be a likable person. If you can get people to like you through the video that they're watching, odds are they'll buy from you. You want to make sure that when you're making these shoppable videos, you make them in good quality, whether that's with your phone or it's with a high quality camera like the one you're watching me on now. You want the quality to be there. TikTok rewards quality. Yes, you'll see some really shitty videos going super viral, but for the most part, TikTok rewards quality and consistency. So if your videos are of high quality in terms of audio, in terms of visually pleasing, in terms of audibly pleasing, and overall just a good structured video, TikTok will push it more than they will a video that's got a terrible hook and it's just kind of all over the place. And if your audio is bad, most people aren't going to watch the video just because of how cringy it feels to hear bad audio. So either invest in a good phone or invest in a good external mic that can help you in that sense. And the biggest tip I can give you of all, read the TOS. I will show you how to get there right now in this video to kind of make it a little bit easier for you, but read the TOS. It is going to be your best friend when it comes to avoiding violations and avoiding things to get you in trouble with TikTok Shop. Once you get into TikTok, all you're going to do is go to the 3 lines up at the top, click on Creator Tools. Once you're in Creator Tools, you'll scroll, Once you're in Creator Tools, you'll click on TikTok Shop for Creator. Once in here, you'll scroll all the way down to the very bottom to where it says Account Standing. That is where you're going to find the TOS for the TikTok Shop. In here, you'll be able to see exactly where your violation standpoints are, if you have any, or if any of your appeals have been granted, and so on and so forth. As you can see in here, my 24-point violation in here has been approved. It got overturned. Now, for the TOS, you go down here to Public Library. Click on that. This is where you're going to find the TOS that is going to be your best friend. This is where you need to study and read everything in here to make sure you don't make any sort of mistakes that could get you either a violation or get you completely suspended from selling on TikTok. There are several other things that I can tell you on what to avoid and what not to do when it comes to making these videos, but this video would end up being a whole hour long. If you're more curious about the things that I talk about and the do's and the don'ts of the TikTok Shop affiliate program, you're more than welcome to come join our community where we have hundreds almost 1,000 members daily talking about this stuff and the do's and the don'ts and what they've learned and the areas where they've messed up at. It's a great place for you to learn and connect with others that are doing the exact same thing that you want to be doing, and kind of jumpstart or kickstart your journey into the affiliate program on TikTok. This is one of the most lucrative opportunities of our time, and if you jump on it while it's still in its infancy stage, it hasn't even been live for a year yet, you're going to be one of the people that really reaps the benefits and the rewards from this program. Do I know if it's going to get banned here in the US? No, I don't. Do I think it's going to? I don't really think so. I think it would be a big mistake and a big dumb move on the government to ban something like this. However, I'm not the House, I'm not the president, and I can't tell the future. What I do know is that this is an opportunity that is working and making people a lot of money. And if you're looking for an opportunity like that, I think this might be the right one for you, especially if you've tried other things in the past, kind of like I have. So the moral of all this is, if you want to join our community, there's a link down below. You get access to our full community on Discord, as well as the course that we are completely revamping, and we'll have a really solid structure behind it to teach you how to do this from A all the way down to Z. So if that sounds like something you want to be a part of, the link's down below. I would love to see you there, and if you do come over there, send a chat in the main chat, tag me, and let me know you came from YouTube. Other than that, guys, I appreciate everyone for watching this video today. Hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, and hit the bell so you never miss another video. Appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next one.